Alanine Aminotransferase Activity Assay Kit Operation Guide. Before the experiment, check all kit contents before use. Contact us if needed. Sample preparation. Serum and plasma can be measured directly, while tissue and cells require pretreatment as per the manual before analysis. Reagent preparation. Before using reagent 1 and 2, centrifuge the liquid to the bottom. Incubate reagent 3 at 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Dilute reagent 5, double distilled water, at a volume ratio of 1:9. Prepare immediately before use. Operating steps. Before the experiment, set up the required standard, sample, and control wells. Add 5 microliters of reagents 1 to the standard wells respectively. The liquid should be added by touching the bottom of the microplate well. Add 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10 microliters of reagent 3 to the standard wells from A to F respectively. Add 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 microliters of reagent 2 to the standard wells from A to F respectively. For each well, insert the pipette tip into the liquid in the well, and mix by pipetting up and down. Add 20 microliters of pre-warmed reagent 3 to the sample and control wells. Add 5 microliters of the sample to the sample wells. Cover with a sealing film and incubate the microplate at 37 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Add 20 microliters of reagent 4 to the standard wells, sample control wells, and sample wells. Add 5 microliters of the sample to the sample control wells. Shake and mix on a microplate shaker for 10 seconds. Then cover with sealing film and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Add 200 microliters of reagent 5 working solution to each well. Shake and mix on a microplate shaker for 10 seconds. Let stand at room temperature in the dark for 15 minutes. Measure the OD value of each well at 510 nanometers using a microplate reader. Data analysis.